Absolutely, man. And Tresor continues to do big things. This coming weekend, he'll be opening for none other than Seal himself, and he'll be touring across the country with him. But right now, I reckon what? Call umabebeza, call ugogo, push the couches away, right? Get ready to dance as he performs Zambezi.
What is this feeling? I can't ignore. Oh, tell me, how could it be so easy just to please me, just the way you do? I swim across the border, so I'm busy just to be with you. You say you're gonna leave me, just to tease me, all the things you do. I swim across the border, so I'm busy just to be with you. They're showing me on MTV and BBC, but I just want you. I swim across the border, so I'm busy just to be with you.
Tresor with Zambezi on your Feel Good Breakfast. Your beautiful stuff. Listen, I've got to congratulate you, man.
Thank
Opening
you,
and touring with Seal. It's amazing. How did that come about?
Man, to be honest, bro, I've been really surprised myself because he's one of really my huge inspiration. And from what I heard, I mean, he got sent a few names of artists and he pretty much picked your boy to be the opening act, man.
Get in there, Tresor.
So I'm excited, man.
Get in there. That's the new celebration now. Whenever you want to celebrate, you just gotta, just get in there. Listen, have a lovely weekend. Let us know what you thought about that performance on our Facebook page. And of course, thank you once again. Have a good 2016.
Blessings, brother.
All right. Yes, one of my favorite segments on the show. Yes, man. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.